Hello everybody, I am Crystal Clear 101. Welcome back to my channel. We have another NECA Cinemachines review, and today I'll be looking at number 2 in the line, which is the Derelict Ship. Now this was also released in mid-2016. This is a general release, and the suggested retail is $24.99. Now let's take a look at the packaging. In the top left corner we have the Cinemachines logo. And along the bottom of the packaging, we have the number 2 in a card in the bottom left-hand corner, the name of the vehicle in the middle, and which Alien movie this is from in the bottom right-hand corner, in this case, Alien. Along the right-hand side of the packaging, we have the Cinemachines logo along the bottom of the packaging, along with the name of the ship and which movie it's from along the top of the packaging. And along the reverse side of the packaging, along the left hand side of the packaging, we have some grid schematics of the derelict ship. Along the right hand side, we have the other vehicles available within the series. And along the bottom middle portion, we have the technical data on the derelict ship. And along the left hand side, Cinemachines logo along the bottom, the Alien movie logo, and the derelict ship along the top of the packaging. And now with the packaging being shown for the derelict ship, let's go ahead and open it up and see just how cool it really is. And now, let's take a better look at the derelict. Now, let's have a 360-degree view on the ship. For me, this is up there with the Space Jockeys, just as far as the overall cool factor goes. I mean, it's the fact that we actually get the derelict ship, a nice good size, I don't know about model, a nice good size little replica of it. Now, one of the things I do like is the fact it does come with this little stand, and this is adjustable. You have it set as far back as you want, up to about there, or you can have it set about like so. And the good part is the fact that this portion of the ship will rest on the stand. I do like that. My only complaint about the stand, I do mean my only complaint, is that the hinge for the little point where you put it in is a little bit weak. And even right here, if I do tap it, as you saw, it just snapped right down. I barely tapped on that. But the good thing is that you can remove this. And let me go ahead and point out that this is a small piece. And while it doesn't exactly feel like it's going to break, as small and thin as that is, I would be careful. However, as you can see, there's a little hole where it would connect to the stand. But just the overall attention to detail on the ship, I love this. Because prior to this, the only derelict I've had in my own Alien collection was the one from the Micro Machines line. As you saw my review from that a couple of years ago, that ship is tiny. Obviously, it's a Micro Machine. But just all the intricate lines, just all the various little details. I mean, the various little, I guess, entry points in the front, the back. I mean, just every little point of detail that would have been on the actual model on the set is going to be on this replica right here. Now, this does actually have a bit of weight to it. The outer part of this is plastic, but the inner part of this is die cast. But overall, this is just flat out nice. And the best part is, for a replica of the derelict, this is actually surprisingly affordable, especially at the price point of $24.99. This is very much an affordable piece for any Alien collection. But this is just flat out cool. I said, I might not be the biggest fan of Alien. I love the Alien franchise, but for me, Alien's my number 2 in the franchise, right behind Aliens. But just to have a very nicely detailed replica of the Derelict is awesome. Also, the paint job, which is basically a kind of a metallic silver, like actually like a gunmetal. It's more of a gunmetal color, but when light does hit it, actually does give a rather nice little shine to it. If I have to give any complaints, it's just that the actual joint itself, or the stand, is a little bit on the weak side, and a slim possibility of it breaking. But that is it. As long as you're careful with it, as long as you're not trying to force the ship onto a little point right there, then you should be fine. Just make note that this is a little bit on the weak side. But, I mean, just the fact this is a very nicely detailed replica of the Derelict, just a simple fact that this is an affordable way to have the Derelict in your collection. This is just absolutely sweet. So if you're a fan of Alien, I highly recommend you pick up one of these. It's very much affordable, and on top of that, it is actually a rather good size. As you can see by my hand, this is, if I had to guess, this is probably about 6.5 inches overall in overall length. So it's a good size ship. But again, if you're a fan of Alien, you don't have a Derelict in your collection, pick this up from NECA's Cinemachines line. This is well worth having in any collection. But this will wrap up my little review on the NECA Cinemachines Derelict Ship. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.